Hey guys, so today I have this month's Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide, it's all different prices, so I'll put the ones that I do know down below in the description. But yeah, we are just going to open this. As always, I've not seen what is in here yet. We're opening it together, and this one is February's box. So let's have a see what we have in this one. Okay, so right on the top, as always, we have our little booklet, and it says that the theme this month is Green Witch, and it also looks like a very neutral and green kind of colour scheme. This little booklet just tells you about all of the items in the box. I'm not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but if you get the box, that is what this is. So Green Witch is our theme. Then we have our little mini art print. So this one is just lots of different objects. We've got a key, mushrooms, a bug, a backpack, a book, some crystals, a little bottle, loads of different little bits. And if you don't want to use it as an art card, you can also use it as a monthly manifestations card. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? Then we have our little spell kit. So you usually always get a spell kit, and this one is a Bury It ritual kit. It says it contains all you need to help you let go of what no longer serves. So let's open this and have a look in here. There is some very unusual items that I can see in this box, I have to say. So we have our little instructions as always. I will try and hold those up in a second if anyone wants to pause and read. And then we have a black spell candle. We have some yarrow and rose hip. And we also have a little piece of paper as well. So they are the things that we need for our Bury It ritual. And like I said, I will hold this up in case anyone wants to see what it says. And that was everything in the Bury It ritual kit. And then next I'm just going to show you the thing that I could see because it's so cute. It's a little mini, like, trowel, are they called? But it's like a little leaf shape. How cute is that? So it says Witch Casket on that side, and then on this side we have it like engraved with little leaves and stuff. And it's kind of like a browny, bronzy coloured little mini leaf trowel. I think that's so cute. If you're foraging or whatever, very useful. Or just for planting in the garden as well, herbs and stuff. So cute, love that. So that is our little trowel that we have. Then next we have a little kind of notepad, and it says date, time, moon phase, season, location, herb/plant/flower name, magical properties/uses, and notes. So that is, again, very cute. If you do go foraging, looking for different things in different places, I guess you could write down where you found them, the date, the time, the season, what it was, what it does, that kind of thing. So that is this little notepad we have, and there is loads and loads of them in there as well. Then next we have our gemstone for the month, and this one is a moss agate. So very, very dark green, shiny little tumbled stone. And it says it's a stone of emotional balance and growth. It helps us to process and understand our emotions and aids with new beginnings. A perfect stone for emotional healing, stability, and spiritual grounding. So that is our little gemstone that we got this month. And then we still have quite a few things in here, some bigger looking things. The next thing we have is a mini altar bottle set. It says use these charming altar bottles for herbs, crystal chips, etc. They also make perfect spell bottles. We've got green for abundance, success and growth, brown for grounding, stability and practical matters, and clear for anything. So exactly as it says, 3 little mini spell jars, altar bottles, whatever. So we have clear, dark green and brown, kind of an ambery sort of brown colour. And that is our mini altar bottle set. And then we have our pin for the month. So this one is like an oval with a mushroom and some leaves and a moon and stuff like that. Hopefully you can see it. It just has one pin on the back. Very cute. Then we have, I think, 3 really big burlappy kind of sacks. So this is the first one. In here we have a wooden mushroom. Look how cute that is. I have no idea what you would do with that. I assume it is just a decoration, but it's literally like a carved mushroom. Let me have a quick look in the book just in case it is supposed to be for something. Nope, it just says handcrafted wooden mushroom. We created this beautiful acacia wood mushroom to symbolize growth, wisdom, and the gifts of Mother Nature. So that is very cute. I wonder if you could maybe put that out in the garden in like a plant pot or something. I feel like that would be really cute, but yeah, little wooden mushroom. Then next we have another one. This one says gathering bag. So that's very cute, little burlap gathering bag. And in here we have a little basket. Okay, so that is what this looks like, and the little bag as well. And it says that this is a gathering set, a delightful bowl and bag for foraging and gathering your magical herbs, leaves, stone and other small gifts from the earth. The bowl is made from willow, which is known for strength, and is useful for any magic for renewal, growth and letting go. So yeah, that is very cute and helpful if you do go out and pick things from outside. Little gathering bag and bowl. And then we have one last one, and this one says Apothecary herbs. Again, a big burlap bag, and I think there is just loads of herbs in here, which is really cool. Yep, so we have the bag, and then in there we have bay leaf for protection, strength and good fortune, hibiscus for love, passion and independence, lemon balm for healing, love and spiritual development, orange peel for attraction, blessings and abundance, and rosemary for cleansing, healing and clear thinking. So 5 different lots of herbs in that little bag as well. And then of course, as always, we do have our little scroll, so I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is drying plants and fruits, so it's kind of telling you how to dry out things for using them in spells and stuff. And yeah, that was everything in the February Witch Casket box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had our little mini art print, the Bury It ritual kit spell, the little notepad for the location and season and stuff of herbs and plants, the little handcrafted wooden mushroom, the gathering bag and bowl, the Apothecary herbs, the little mini trowel, which is definitely my favourite thing that we got in this one, the moss agate stone, the little enamel pin, the mini altar bottle set, and the scroll. So all of these things in the Green Witch February Witch Casket box. I thought that this one was really, really good. Loved this one. Not necessarily things that I would use, honestly, but I still thought that it was really cute and I can see how this would be helpful to people. The trowel is so cute. I love that. The little notepad is cute. All of these big bags. I just felt like this one was really worth it. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, if you liked it or not. Like I said, I will put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.